Hey, I'm Mike, owner of Eurowise, based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. We specialize in Volkswagen, Audi, performance, fabrication, and restorations. Today I'm going to be showing you this 1975 Volkswagen Scirocco that we restored. This customer bought us this car from Texas, and it originally came in as a silver 75 16 valve metal bumper, basically stock trim, stock interior, and he wanted us to give it a modern retro twist, but have the power to back up the looks. So we actually ended up doing a Cayenne 3.2 liter VR6 motor. He was also a fan of Porsche Singer styled vehicles, the 911s. So along with that build, we gave it a Singer style twist by wrapping the roll cage, hand stitching it in leather. We did a Porsche 911 interior door handles, Porsche 944 exterior door handles, which we went back and chromed, and a bunch of other little tidbits to go with the Singer 911 theme. So on the engine and drivetrain, the customer chose the Porsche Cayenne 3.2 liter VR6 engine. We made it up to a 5-speed 028 transmission with an Autotech LSD. To mount this motor in this chassis, we actually manufacture engine mounts, transmission mounts, and axles to bolt the engine into this chassis. So any Mark I chassis with our mount kit is basically a plug-and-play deal. Along with our wiring harness, it makes it a very simple swap for anybody that wants to ever do a VR6 or V6 drivetrain and engine into a Mark I chassis. The interior was done in brown saddlebag leather with basket weave style inserts. We did the headliner in brown suede, and then the entire roll cage was hand stitched and wrapped in the brown leather. And to keep the theme, we also did black Porsche twill knit carpet. The suspension is a ST coilover setup with front and rear sway bars and Wilwood front brake calipers.